India recorded 38,902 new cases of the coronavirus disease COVID-19, the highest in 24 hours, and 543 deaths, which has pushed the country's tally to 10,77,618, Union Health Ministry data showed today. According to reports, the government pointed out that the 11 most COVID-19 affected countries in the world, the US, Brazil, Russia, Peru, Chile, Mexico, South Africa, the UK, Iran, Pakistan and Spain, together reported 8 times more cases and 14 times more deaths than India. Manipur's coronavirus tally has mounted to 1,891 after 91 fresh cases were confirmed in the last 24 hours. COVID-19 Common Control Room said the fresh cases were confirmed at the Viral Research and Diagnostic Laboratories VRDL of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS, Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences JNIMS and district hospitals of Tamenglong, Ukhrul and Thoubal. The All India Institute of Medical Sciences AIIMS New Delhi will begin human trials of India's first indigenous COVID-19 vaccine, Covaxin, from next week on 100 healthy volunteers aged between 18 and 55 years. As per media reports, the volunteers will be kept under observation for a period of nearly 150 days. Manipur Forest, Environment and Climate Change Minister Awangbo Nyumai yesterday inspected the Kazifung Van Dhan Vikas Kendra VDVK at Hungpung and Ukhrul Central VDVK Rushing Hall at Aungtang in Ukhrul district. Nyumai also visited the Duncan Ecological Park at Somsai. During the visit, Minister Awangbo Nyumai announced that the centre has given approval for opening 100 additional VDVKs in the state. Piroi, or the first death anniversary of Ningthaujam Babysana, was held today at Kontongkambi Shanglane Thangmaiband. On the occasion, father of late Babysana, Ningthaujam Tomcho, demanded quick justice for his daughter and said concerted effort of the state government could solve the case. 3 more persons were killed in 2 districts of Assam in floods yesterday, taking the death toll in the state to 79. As per a media report, around 28 lakh people in 26 of the 33 districts remained affected. However, the month-long flood situation in the state marginally improved. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal had a telephonic conversation with Prime Minister Narendra Modi today. According to media reports, during the conversation, Prime Minister Modi assured all possible help from the centre to the state. The 2 leaders discussed at length the flood and erosion problem, the COVID-19 crisis and the Bagjan fire incident. Setting the wheels in motion for the construction of a Ram temple at the site in Ayodhya where the Babri Masjid once stood, the Ram Janmbhoomi Tirth Kshetra Trust yesterday said it sent 2 dates, August 3rd and August 5th, to the Prime Minister, and he can choose either for the Bhumi Pujan at the temple site, according to a media report. Spain has decided to kill more than 90,000 minks as over 80% of them test COVID-19 positive. According to a media report, Spain has said that 87% of the minks to be executed have tested positive for the deadly virus, showing that animals are not immune from it.